Fidget spinner! No. 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 Oh, well, I got fidget spinners. I'll show you today my fidget spinners. And hopefully, the cat is not even away. Okay, first, check it out. Go in, fidget spinner. This one is one of my favorites. It's too long. It's the heaviest I've this one can pop in the middle. Should be on there because I don't look at them. Go away. Okay, let's this one. Fidget spinner. It's not a dark fidget spinner. I probably can't get the glow in the dark. I'll try. Can you see that? It's not going out. It needs to be like really, really dark for it to work. Is it this one? Next spinner? Hand spinner by Royal Accessories. This one. There's a couple of polka dots, which I like about it. On to the next spinner. Last but not least is. This is the last but not least. Why do I keep saying that over and over and over and over again? The camouflage, a standard camouflage fidget spinner. There's nothing out of the ordinary about this. I don't know why I reset this, but these were all regular shaped fidget spinners. They are cool. Used to wear them right. This one also by Royal Accessories. I got this one. This one for my friend. This one came from Fidget Spinners. I think that will end my little fidget spinner video. Please do leave a big fat thumbs up. Do consider subscribing. Do consider subscribing, I'm sorry. Do consider subscribing for more content.